Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to Math with Gustavus. In this video, we'll be continuing on fractions mixed operations. This is part 4 of a series, so I hope that you would have watched video 1, video 2, and video 3. If you have not done so, you can kindly pause this video and watch those and then watch this one after. Thank you very much. Let's continue. Let's jump right into this question. Whenever you're given a question that consists of multiple operations, I am recommending you use PEMDAS. All right. Some persons might say PEDMAS, while others might say PEMDAS. They are the same. All right. If you look closely, you see that these what? In this problem, we have subtraction and division. So according to PEMDAS, we would work what first? What would come first? The division will come before the addition or subtraction, and as such we're going to do that to this question. However, I am recommending that you convert all of these fractions to improper fractions, given that they are mixed number. So let's do that first. So for the first one, it is 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 1, which is 4. It will be 4, and you write back the 3. Let me stop here for a moment. If you have not watched my video on converting all numbers to improper fractions, ensure that you do so. Let's continue. And for this one, you multiply 6 times 3, that's what, 18, and then 18 plus 5, that's 23, and you put back the denominator, which is 6, and then lastly, you'll multiply 9 times 5, which is 45, and 1, 46 over 9. Now, you don't have to do this, but I'm recommending it. Given that we're going to divide first, I'm encouraging you to put that portion of the question in parentheses so you can zoom in and focus on that. So we're going to write back the 4 over 3 minus, and then let's focus on what's in the bracket. Now, remember, when we're dividing, we write back the first fraction as is. So it's 23 over 6. Then we convert our division to multiplication. Afterwards, we reciprocate the 46 over 9. We flip it, meaning the numerator will now become our denominator, and our denominator will now become our numerator. So that will be 9 over 46. Now look closely. Remember, when we're multiplying, we can reduce or cancel any numerator with any denominator. So we check up, down, nothing there. Then we check right here as well, nothing there. And then we check the diagonals, right? So we have 23 and 46. If you look closely, you notice that 23 is a what? Factor of 46. All right, so 23 into itself goes 1 time, and 23 into 46 goes 2 times. So that's one of the diagonals. Let's check the second diagonal. So we have 9 and 6. So if you look closely again, you notice that what? 3 is a common factor for both 6 and 9. So let's divide. So 3 into 6 goes 2 times, and 3 into 3 goes 3 times. So let's write back what we have left. So we put back our 4 over 3 minus, and then you can remove the bracket at this point. All right, so let's multiply 1 times 3. That will give us 3. And then 2 times 2, that will give us 4. Again, we're coming from something that looks very challenging, very difficult, but we're just down to subtraction. Remember now that when we're subtracting fractions, we need to ensure that there is a common denominator. And as we can see right here, these denominators are not common. They're not the same. Hence, we need to do that. In doing so, we need to find the lowest common multiple of 3 and 4. If you struggle to do so, you can see, if you have time, that is cool. This is one of many techniques, but given that the numbers are small, you could simply list the multiples of 3 and 4. Let me do that quickly. It says 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on, right? And for 4, that would be 4, 8, 12, and 16, and so on. Now the lowest one that is common to both of them would definitely be 12. So with that said, let me rewrite this quickly. 4 over 3 minus 3/4. So the common denominator in this case would be 12. After you have found the common denominator, you're going to use the denominator, not the original denominators, to divide into the common denominator. So it's 3 into 12, that goes 4 times. So that's 4 times 4, which is 16 minus, and then divide on this side as well. 4 into 12, that goes 3 times, so it's 3 times 3, which is 9. So now we are going to find the difference between 16 and 9. And the difference between 16 and 9 is 7. So that's 7/12. So from this, we end up with this. And now this concludes fractions with mixed operations. Well, at least for now. So if you need additional questions to be worked, kindly send them to me on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, all the social media platform, or my email. All right, and I'll work them and create a video for you. So thank you very much for watching, and again, share with your friends, family, classmates, everyone. Get the news out there that Math with Gustavus is here and is here to stay. Thank you very much for watching, and see you again soon. Ciao.